Armut ki breu kila do e la ga jong ga jing im na ga jing tua khando ha police reserve. Yagini ki armut ki blaklat na ga jing tua khando la tip kerteng ko musohi botan marak bar usul nang marang. Kini ki armut ki blaklat ki de ki batrebel la ha police reserve. Ga jing tua ga ni ga khando ga de na ga daw jo ga jingjur parat uslap ha kini ki khindiat sngi.
Morning time, no, around 5 o'clock, the landslide happened. So from office maybe they ordered to clean that, that soil and all. So they were doing that only. Many people were there. They tried to run, but two of them they got stuck there, and it just happened like that. So they got stuck in that. So after that, they started running here and there. So one lady was there, so she started calling for everyone, come help, help. So we thought the small babies are there, but then later they said no, they came for walk because from office they got order. So they came and took me, but they could not help. Later, almost like it happened around it happened around 12:15, no? But around 3 o'clock they were able to find my team also came late, and they came empty hands. They went running there. They saw what happened. Everyone was just asking what happened, but no equipment, nothing. Like they know because everyone was so panicking. So they run and they tell officers. So this thing happens, but still they came without equipment. So later they went again and they coming, but all people they were just looking and no one was like willing to do. So later fire brigade came, so with water.
The rescue team, they get wrong information. They thought
they
the building
got
got collapsed, but it doesn't.
Many times it happens, no, during rain time. Just last month only, same building from the back side. Same thing
happens,
so they were still work is going on. You can see there, no, if you go down, same thing, like their construction is still going on, but still they give water to them. They are staying here only.